A crisp, colorful montage reveals three ultra-simple snacks that anyone can whip up in under 10 minutes at home. First, a lemon yogurt dip swirls with herbs and pears with crunchy cucumber boats for a refreshing bite. Next, chickpea toast cups bake to a golden crisp, while tomato jam adds a burst of tangy sweetness. Finally, sesame honey chips emerge steaming from the sheet, a savory sweet snack that disappears fast for today's cravings. These ideas stay fresh in minutes, leaving viewers inspired to customize with pantry staples and minimal cleanup.